Yep, that's I decided to toss my 4th of July hat in there, since those things are pretty much disposable. And also, we're gonna be smashing that garbage air purifier that smells like dust and vomit whenever you turn it on. Okay, well that's cooking. Let's get this piece of junk. Let's see. Quick reference guide. Get out of here. Yeah, you should get the... So is the thing, yeah, I think it's power. And then, let's see. What the? Oh my gosh, that smells awful. Yeah, firecrackers. Okay, let's see the damage. Oh, whoops. Okay, now let's check under the hood. I said... Oh, that's awful. Yeah. Yeah, these filters are... Oh my gosh, the firecrackers made its way into the filters. It's just capacitors in there. There's nothing really in there that's too explosive. Oh, just... Oh my gosh, it melted the plastic. Look at all that little streaks right there. Oh, it just pushed the... I know where this is going. Right here. Anyway. I do have my lighter, but those things are, yeah, the bugs. There's some guy in a white truck pulling out of the driveway. Okay, let's look at the damage. Yeah. Okay, time to put this thing out of its misery.
like it has like the motor from like a liquid, an old liquid fan in it.
Want me to have a swing at the axe? Oh, I did. Oh my gosh, I just went right through it. You know, for a $200 air purifier, this thing's shattering like glass. I bet that motor probably still works. It just, that's literally just a fan motor.
Yeah. When I think that's an hour. That's what I want to do with it. I think I'm done with that because I don't want to have too much of a mess fixing that.
Yeah. Yep. Goodbye. Or not. Next up is this piece of junk shark vacuum cleaner. We're going to be putting a firework in it while it's still running. If the thing even works.
I already tested it, it does.
Surprisingly. Yeah, these things are... Yeah. I think it has lights on it. Yeah, turn them on and then... Oh my... Yeah, hurry. Yeah, I can tell there's no suction on that thing. Want to try another one? Oh my god. Let's put a firecracker in there. Okay, let's open up the lid. It did a little damage. Well, how about one of these? Try happiness. Let's put happiness in this vacuum cleaner. They said put... I hate these right there. Let's try another one. Okay, what's next? Now let's put this tiny little friendship fountain in there. In the hole. And light it. That was terrible. I think that was it. Does the brush roll work?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh, it's
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it melted. Even after 4th of July, we're still lighting off fireworks. Turn it on. Yeah, that thing, Okay, time to smash it. This thing's had enough fun fireworks. Stick. Bring it. I swear if this hasn't it did. Unless. Yeah, overloaded. The other brush roll, I don't know. Try the other brush, because the light's still on. Oh my god. Did I get a swing at the brush, or is... Oh, did it just die? You can already guess what I'm... Hold on, that wasn't hard enough. You could go. Where's the... There it is. Oh, wait, there it is. Oh. Sheep shark. Oh my gosh, there's a rope, there's a dog toy tangled in the brush. See if I can get that loose. I can see why they threw it away. I want to see if I can get that loose out of it. What the?
It looks like a saw.
It's something. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm guessing that's what... Oh my god, yeah, they did not take care of this thing correctly. Oh, yep, it is a saw. Look at that right there.
What does it have on it?
Yeah, it looks like old people, right here. Come on, get out of there. I'm gonna try to get this loose. Oh, I got it. Right here. Not the dirt. I said not the... There you go. I pierced the hose. And then to get it loose, just shake it off. There you go, your turn. Yeah, my mom had one of those, but it was a white one.
Yeah.
It was like one of those lift-away models.
Was it like white with the red trim?
Yeah, I had white with red trim, and I had like a thing on the canister that said "never loses suction."
Ain't that a lie?
Yeah, that thing clearly lost suction. I think the only time, I know the bag vacuums. I think the only time you lose suction is when the bag is full.
Yeah.
I actually heard that the bag vacuums have better suction.
Yeah. Right in the logo.
Yep, Shark.
Piece of shit.
Shark vacuum.
I think it's had.
Goodbye. There you go.
Also, I have another siren coming.
What kind of siren is it?
It's a for the signal model, another Model A, but this one's my one Model A is meant for 24 volts, so I bought a 120 volt Model A.
Nice.
So now I don't have to lug around, but use that power.
Well, let's see what's in the fire pit. Ugh. Yeah, that's about as I expected. I see you still have the fan. Yep, that's our well, that's the bonus part right there. Anyway.